Okay, so today we will be talking about is successive planning, and we had spoken about all the types of planning. So today we will talk about is the how successful is planning and how it is being done. So we will take one by one, okay, and we will see how it is done. Okay, we had already done the wage good model, so we will talk about is the changing objectives. Okay, so let us write down here changing objectives of successive plans. Okay, so now as I said, now we were talking about the first one. We'll talk about is what happened in the fourth 5-year plan. Okay, so because after independence, India started with the first 5-year plan, then the second, then the third, and then the fourth. So planning was happening continuously, and the basic before that, the first year, the second year, third year, it was mostly focused on agriculture. So only on the fourth 5-year plan, the basic, let me write it down here, the basic framework of industrialization. So after the third 5-year plan and the starting of the fourth 5-year plan, the framework was of industrialization was retained. Okay, it was continued and it was there because initially in the first, second, third, they were introducing industrialization, but it was very less compared. Okay, now yes, and another thing what happened, let me write it down here, let me just delete this. Yes, the objective of self-reliance was not given up. So that means, just because it is industrialized and but you have to be self-reliant. So that was the most important thing, and the objective of self-reliance was not given, and it was rather, we can say, the main. So it was the main emphasis and was shifted to economic growth. Okay, so economic growth was there, so it was mostly focused that economic growth should happen. And so what the government did is, government introduced, at this moment of time, light industries, light small less industries, like light industries, so because as I said, most of the public at that moment of time were focused on agriculture. So the government didn't wanted the public to completely shift from agriculture to industry. So that is why they introduced to light industries. Okay, so now yes, so that is what I'm saying. So agriculture was given due importance. Okay, and the why, because there was an adoption, so you can write it down here, adoption of new technologies were introduced at the sun, so there was also seeds. Okay, so improvement, let me write it down here, let me just wrap this. Yes, so improvement of seeds and fertilizers were introduced, okay, during the fourth 5-year plan. And but the biggest problem of was poverty had failed. But what was the problem? The problem was poverty. Now, in spite of good industrialization, of having good agriculture, new technology was introduced, there was improvement of seeds and fertilizers were introduced, but still the poverty was very, very big problem, and poverty had failed. So I'll write it down here, for poverty had failed to subside economic growth. So economic growth was not happening because there was huge poverty, and that is why it couldn't subside that thing, and And so basically that time there were many economists who said that people are not going to eat tractors, and what people are going to eat. So Mehboob ul Haq also said that why you not, he also said to the government that why you not focusing on food, and people are not going to eat only tractors. Okay, so that is what he started saying, that 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 means you stress more on seeds, more on food corporation, food production should be done. And you must give them some basic employment also, that only the entire people cannot rest on tractors. So that was the thing. So what was the plan document mentioned? Let me see. So what was the plan at that moment of the fourth 5-year plan? So let me rub this. So the plan document mentioned the existence, so existence, that means poverty was still existing, so existence of poverty in the vision of an advanced of poverty. So poverty was there, okay, and we were thinking about prosperous, democratic, okay, and thinking about the society and agriculture. So basically this was that the existence of poverty is there, but our vision is to see that the poverty is advanced and it is like removed, and prosperous should be there, and there must be democracy, and there must be a society, and also which is imbibed with agriculture. Okay, so that was the fourth 5-year plan, was basically somewhere around 1978 and 83. And that time there was the person who was ruling the government was the Janata Party. Okay, so the Janata Party had their own draft plan. Okay, so let us discuss what was the plan. Let me just rub this. So yes, so the Janata Party had their own plan drafted from 1978 to 83. Okay, so they were the one in power at that moment of time, and what was the draft they had created, so that was very important. Okay, and yes, they had said is like they said that for the first time a new development strategy should be created. So a new development strategy must be created. Okay, and for the first time, so there was a planning commission. So planning commission acknowledged the fact that the benefits of growth had failed. So again this government has failed to reach the poor. So the poor, it was whatever the benefits they were trying to do or whatever the plan they had developed it, they were miserably failing to reach the poor. Okay, so the commission decided that that there must be emphasis on the number of such as growth rates, and we have to raise the standard of living of the people. So the Janata government however could not last for a long time, and then the new Congress government came into power, and what they did is they terminated the fifth plan. Okay, so from within the period of 5 years, from the fourth year to the fifth plan, the entire plan whatever the Janata Party had created, they completely terminated it. The Congress terminated the fifth 5-year plan. So they didn't go directly with the fifth 5-year plan, they directly started with the sixth 5-year plan. So you may be asking, like from fourth to sixth, Okay, so in between, the fifth 5 year plan was completely scrapped out because it was in between of Janata Party and culmination of Congress government. So newly Congress government was introduced, so they thought like let's start fresh. And that is why they started the new plan, and they removed and they terminated the fifth plan, and they started with the sixth 5 year plan.